Hi everybody, welcome to ePrime for this evening. I'm Daedran. MC Nuffy retracts a statement after openly bashing the Grammys following Vybz Kartel's loss.
You know who a part of the Grammy already. Them no want Vybz Kartel win no Grammy. Them no want him get no Grammy. You nominate Kartel with Kesnami when you do no journey in music and you do nothing for music. Yeah, youth, you come up and you want the yellow thing. You don't do nothing.
Now, the clip, which sparked online controversy following Kesnamdi's win for Reggae Album of the Year for his project Blood and Fire at the recent staging of the award show on Sunday. Getting wind of the clip, Kartel took to Instagram, disassociated himself from the comments shared by the DJ, saying that Andrew Nuffy Nelson is his brother and his official MC. However, he's not authorized to speak for or represent him in any official business, legal, or brand-related capacity. MC Nuffy later issued an apology for his statement, saying that he acknowledges that his comments were inappropriate and did not reflect the respect owed to the Recording Academy or its long-standing process. He went on to extend an apology to Kesnamdi, stating that his remarks were not intended to diminish his achievement or recognition. Sagicor's brunch for charity sees Ding Dong and Oblique Seville putting big bucks on the line. Over the weekend, scores of patrons flocked to Broken Plate in Kingston for a brunch with the stars. Sagicor patrons of this year's Sigma Run dancehall artist Ding Dong and World Championships gold medalist Oblique Seville. Big smiles, endless buffet, good music, and friendly rivalry. Ding Dong putting his money on the line that he'll dust the 100-meter sprinter later this month in the 5K.
My bet is, if him reach the line before me, I have to give 100,000 because I am not the sprinter, I am not the athlete. But if me reach before him, I have to give $1 million.
Ding Dong is a dancer and I'm an athlete. I have accepted to win, obviously.
Nicole Campbell-Robinson, Vice President of Group Communications and a CSR at Sagicor Group, placing her bet among the two.
Can't tell you. I have it on the inside, but I'm not going to reveal that. I'm just going to watch. But guess what? It's all in good fun, and I know their game, and I know at the end of the day, they're going to honor their bet. So I think Ding Dong said $1 million. So maybe I might go with Ding Dong, because I want that $1 million.
This year's Sagicor Corporate 5K Run is aiming to raise 150 million Jamaican dollars to assist 5 schools in Western Jamaica.
We're looking at getting especially the 4th and 5th graders in primary school back into a sense of normalcy and in a routine. The 5th and 6th formers back in the high schools back into a sense of normalcy and routine. So what we're doing is looking at certain projects in the school and seeing how it is that we can fully complete that. Now, of course, if we're able to exceed the $150 million target, then we'll be able to do more. So, we're just inviting and encouraging all Jamaicans to come out for a really, I will not only say important, but urgent cause this year. We need to get back 3,000 kids in school.
That's it for ePrime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.